Hey there! Are you curious about chiropractic adjustments? Let's explore what you can expect from your visit with Dr. John Brockway in Denver. Imagine experiencing constant pain or discomfort. Many people in Denver, like you, seek relief. What is a chiropractic adjustment? It's a controlled force applied to your spine or joints. This helps restore normal movement and takes pressure off your nervous system. So, what happens during a chiropractic adjustment? First, your joint may stop moving properly. This causes tightness in surrounding muscles and abnormal signals in your nervous system. An adjustment addresses these issues by getting the joint moving, calming pain signals, and relaxing tight muscles. Most notice less pain and better posture over time. Next, let's talk about the notorious pop during adjustments. Is something breaking? Not at all. That sound is gas escaping from your joint capsule. The key goal is restoring proper joint motion. A loud pop does not mean a successful adjustment, it's about effective movement. Thinking you might need an adjustment? Common signs include persistent back or neck pain, morning stiffness, and headaches. Watch for discomfort during activities or muscle tightness that keeps returning. What to expect on your first visit? It's more thorough than you think. Expect a 30-minute evaluation which includes health history, a physical exam, and possibly imaging. Dr. Brockway uses all this information to create a safe and personalized treatment plan. How often will you need adjustments? The frequency depends on your specific condition. Initially, you might need 2-3 visits a week to reduce pain and inflammation. As you start feeling better, visits may reduce to once a week or less. How can you tell if chiropractic care is working? Pay attention to pain frequency, range of motion, and daily functions. Many patients notice real relief after just one visit, while others may take a few. Side effects? Most feel fine, but some experience temporary soreness or fatigue after an adjustment. These reactions usually clear up quickly. Staying hydrated and moving gently can help. Now, are there any risks? Generally, for most people, the risk is low. Yet, conversations about potential complications, especially for neck adjustments, are important. Dr. Brockway ensures you're a good candidate for treatment by reviewing your health history and performing necessary exams. It's crucial to know when to seek a medical evaluation before a chiropractic visit. Loss of bowel control, sudden weakness, or significant trauma are red flags. Why choose Dr. Brockway? With over 15 years of experience, he tailors adjustments to fit individual needs. Patients appreciate the personalized care and effective relief. You can find him at 425 S Cherry Street, Suite 307 in Denver. Most major insurance plans are accepted. Ready to take control of your health? Call 720-889-1659 or visit myglendalechiro.com to schedule your appointment today.